Today I'm going to teach you how to add an advisor on Xero. This is a really useful feature if you're working with an accountant or bookkeeper who needs comprehensive access to your financial records and reports. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once you're on the Xero homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials, type your email address and password into the fields provided, and click on the Sign In button. This will take you directly to your Xero dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your account. Once you're logged in, look toward the top left part of your screen where you'll see your organization name displayed. Click on your organization name and a drop-down menu will appear with several options for managing your account settings. From this drop-down menu, go ahead and click on Settings. This is your central hub for configuring everything related to your Xero account. From the Settings page, locate and choose Users. This option is crucial because it's where you manage all the people who have access to your Xero account. You'll now be directed to the Users page, which displays all your current admin, advisor, and payroll assistant accounts. This overview shows you everyone who currently has access and what level of permissions they hold. If you wish to add an advisor, click on the Invite a User button, which is typically prominently displayed on this page. After clicking that button, you'll be directed to the User Creation page. This is where you'll fill in all the necessary details and adjust access and authority for the specific user you wish to add. Start by filling in the first name, last name, and email address of the person you're inviting. Make sure these details are accurate, as Xero will send the invitation to the email you provide. Now, since we're specifically looking to add an advisor for your Xero account, scroll down to the Business and Accounting section and click on the checkbox next to it. Once you do this, the section will expand and show you all of this user's capacity to adjust and use your Xero account. This expanded view gives you granular control over what permissions you're granting. On the top part of this expanded section, you'll see 4 distinct options: Invoice Only, Standard, Advisor, and Read Only. Each of these represents a different level of access and capability. Click on Advisor and take a moment to review all its capabilities and access to this account. The advisor role typically grants comprehensive access to view and manage most aspects of your financial data, which is perfect for accountants or bookkeepers who need to work closely with your books. Once you're satisfied with the permissions and have double-checked that all the information is correct, click on Send Invite, which you'll find on the bottom right corner of your screen. Xero will now send an invitation email to the address you provided, and your advisor will be able to accept and gain access to your account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.